Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to print shipping labels on Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account, then on the left panel, click on Orders and select the order you want to print a shipping label for. Then click Create Shipping Label. Fill out the package and weight information of your order and choose your carrier. Then, select Buy One Shipping Label to generate your label. Next, make sure that the print format is set to 4 by 6 inches. Then click Save. Then select Print Shipping so you can view your label. Then click the printer icon. Lastly, click on the printer you want to use and check once more the size and scale of the label. Then click Print so your printer can start printing. And that is how you can easily print shipping labels on Shopify. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.